Hello friends, welcome to my channel Income Guider. Earn up to 25,000 to 50,000 rupees per month by just working 15 minutes daily by reading email. These websites will make this possible for you. I am going to tell about some website from where you can earn up to 50,000 every month through email and survey. If you have a little free time and a little internet knowledge, earning money can be a great way to increase your income. For this, you do not need to go anywhere, but you can easily earn money sitting at home. If we talk about email marketing, then it has special importance in the virtual world. You use many types of mail services every day, but have you ever thought that you can make money by reading email? I will inform you about such a website from where you can earn money through email and survey. Any man or woman can earn this money. Here is the list of 5 websites where you can earn up to 50,000 rupees per month. Number 1. senderearning.com www.senderearning.com. On this website, you can also earn money through email, survey, and online shopping. You will first need to create an account and confirm your registration. Here you are given $1, which is between 70 to 75 rupees, depending on the value of the rupee against the dollar, while reading the email. If you have not visited this site even once in 6 months, your account will be deactivated. At the time of requesting payment, there should be a minimum of $30 in your account, around that is 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. Number 2. matrixmail.com www.matrixmails.com. This website is a better option to earn money through email. This website has been in operation since 2002. Through this website, you can earn money by reading emails, through offers, visiting the site, and informing others about it. You can earn $25 to $50 or about Rs 3,000 per hour. Number 3. cashforoffer.com www.cashforoffers.com. You can also earn money through this website. When you have become a gold member of this website, you can get paid in less than 72 hours. You can earn money by email, through surveys, through cash offers, playing online games, and creating a friend account. As soon as you log into the website, you will get around $5 or 300 to 350 rupees. Number 4. paisalive.com www.paisalive.com. If you want to make quick money without investing a penny, then this website gives you this opportunity. You will get 99 rupees as soon as you create an account on Paisalive. By telling your 10 friends, even if your account is created, you will get 10 rupees immediately. After the first 10 friends, you will get 2 rupees for each friend. You will get 25 paise for 5 rupees by reading the mail in the inbox. The website pays by cash once every 15 days. Number 5. moneymail.com www.moneymail.in. On this website, you can earn by working 15 minutes daily by reading email. Through this, you can earn up to 50,000 a month. While reading the email, you are given from 20 paise to 200 rupees. To do this, you have to log in into your account every day and read the mail in your inbox. You are given up to 100 rupees to create your friend's account.